Arun, thank you. Can you pose? Pose it all for you guys, yeah. Thank you.
Aurora for Amrapali. Yeah, of course. I think fashion and Bollywood are they go hand in hand. So I'm looking forward to seeing who all they have today. And I think new talent is always exciting, especially for us, because I think it's good to grow with the talent that you have in your generation, and I think that's fun. प्रेशर आप डालते हैं और हम बोलते हैं छोड़ो, नो प्रेशर. Sorry, I can't hear you. I think these terms are given by you guys. So I'd rather not give myself a term and have an inflated ego about it. But yeah, I do enjoy dressing up. I enjoy experimenting with clothes, and I think it's a lot of fun. But I don't like to take it so seriously, because I think that ruins the fun of it. And style is something that you make. You wear the clothes, you make them stylish. Clothes don't make you stylish. I guess it is essential. मुझे बहुत एक्चुअली भारी लगता है कि कॉन्स्टेंटली न्यूज़ में कुछ ना कुछ हो, लोग आपके बारे में बात करते रहें. आई थिंक इट कैन गेट, वो उसकी मिस्ट्री निकल जाती है फ्रॉम अ पर्सन. सो आई लाइक टू कीप द मिस्ट्री ऑफ अ पर्सन अलाइव, बिकॉज फिर इवन इन द ऑडियंसेस माइंड्स दैट्स मोर एक्साइटिंग. बट आई थिंक इट इज़ वन ऑफ द नेसेसरी इवल्स ऑफ आवर इंडस्ट्री टुडे. I think whatever you say about Gulzar Saab is too little. He makes the most mundane thing become just fabulous. And I think that is the magic of Gulzar Saab and his words. He's absolutely magical, and he's such a beautiful human being as well. This is not relevant for today, but yeah, education is very important for this country. It's the only way that this country will improve, because at the moment the country is chaos. And it's because the education in this country is rubbish. Thanks.
मैम लुकिया Lisa ma'am, look here. Yes, yeah.
Thank you. Ma, they take a photo of me.
Isha Gupta. Isha. First one. Isha here. Wait here, Isha. Isha, थोड़ा आगे आ रही है. Isha, first one. Ma'am. Isha. Both of you.
Well, my own favorite, very good friend Nikhil Thampi. उसी का outfit पहना हुआ है, and of course here's the designer. Please get him in frame. I'm very comfortable, and I'm really glad that Nikhil ने मुझे ऐसा कोई outfit दिया that fits me and that suits my body and my personality. I think हाँ, I think हमेशा, but personal style बहुत ज़रूरी है, and luckily in India we have great designers like Nikhil Thampi itself, who they know Indian body, they know Indian culture, they know Indian society, Bollywood they understand, so they make outfits according to actresses. नहीं, I think काम ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. PR से ज़्यादा अगर आप काम कर रहे हैं, PR आपका होता ही रहेगा. I think Deepika. I really like how Deepika is always dressed. Thank you.
Can we know about Shraddha?
I'm very privileged to get this title. It's called The Center Stage, and I'm really glad for 2-year-old brand and label to get acknowledged.
And it's his first award.
First award ever, so I'm very excited, and thank you for being by my side.
Thank you. Thank you, guys.
All right, here. Mike. Shraddha ji, यहाँ बैठे. Madam. Shraddha here. आगे लगा. अरुण तो हट जाना यार, तू बाहर जा, अरुण बाहर जा. नहीं तू बाहर जा, मैं कुछ सवाल वैसे भी नहीं पूछ रहा था. तू बाहर जा. वो है सब कुछ बाहर जा. तू बाहर जा.
It's really nice to be here, and they've given me the Face of the Year award, so it's really nice to get that, and it shows appreciation for your work, so I'm very flattered with that. Yes, I am crossing my fingers to get it, and it'll be nice. सबसे ज़्यादा stylish, I think Imran Khan has a very good sense of style because he dresses exactly the way he wants to and the way that he is. So I think it's really cool. In females, Sonam, absolutely, she's very stylish, and she's a style icon, so it's great. I think fashion is basically being true to yourself and being comfortable in what you wear, and not wear something which you're not comfortable in. But sometimes you have to wear heels which are very uncomfortable, which I personally find very uncomfortable. But kabhi kabar you have to wear it, you know, and that's fine. But normally wear what you're comfortable in.
Okay, Shraddha, as an actress,
जी बिल्कुल, वो ब्रूजेस भी है और मैंने ड्रेस पहन रखी है, बट माई ब्रूजेस आर देयर ऑन द नीज, बट इट्स ओके, हो जाता है. बट पीपल शुड रिमेंबर टू वेयर देयर हेलमेट्स एट ऑल टाइम्स. I think it's wonderful. He is a legend, and it's great when legends get recognition. It's great. Not that I know of yet. मुझे तो पता नहीं है. I mean, I've not been offered it, so not that I know of. No. Okay. Thank you.